Hello kids, how are you today? It's Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Today we're going to study from activity book page 39 and 40. Also we're going to learn about what farm animals give us. Okay, pay attention. Alright, here you see many kinds of farm animals. There are cows, chickens, pigs, ducks, horses, sheep, goats, and others. Okay, what do farm animals give us? Some of our food come from them. They also make other things. What kind of food that they give us? Let's take a look. Cows are also farm animals. What do they give us? Cows give us many kinds of things. They give us milk, and milk can be made into butter and cheese, also yogurt. Butter, cheese, yogurt come from milk. Also, cows give us beef. Do you like steak? Yes, they come from beef. Beef comes from cows. What about chicken? Or in here, hens? Hens give us chicken meat and eggs. We eat them often, right? Yes, they're very useful for our life. Quack, 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 it's a duck. What do ducks give us? Ducks give us duck meat. Have you ever eaten duck meat? It's so yummy. Also, they give us eggs. Ducks' eggs are a little bit different with chickens. They're a little bit bigger than the chicken's egg, and the color is bluish. Inside, the yolk is also darker. So yummy. Sometimes you can make it into salted eggs. Have you ever eaten salted eggs like this? They come from duck's eggs. Ba ba, here come the sheeps. Okay, what do this animal give us? Sheep give us wool. These are called wool. This is coming from the hair of the sheep. If you see, if we don't shave the hair or the wool, they become so thick. So people shave it and then they make it into wool. Wool is used for making clothes, warm clothes. You may have one wool jacket or a jumper. It keeps you warm, right? It's so soft. Here comes the goat. Goats sound also similar with sheep. Goats give us meat. We can eat their meat. And also they make milk too, just like cows. We can drink their milk. It's very good for our health. Now here comes the bees. Did you know that some people keep them in a farm too? Yes, because bees give us honey. Sweet, sweet honey. Do you like honey, everyone? It's very good for our health. You can put it in your drink, in your milk. You can spread it on your bread. Very delicious. Okay, so now you know what do farm animals give us. They're very important for our life. Okay, next one we're going to do the activity book. Okay, activity book page 39. My form. Match and color. These are the parts of things in the form. You have to match it with the bigger picture. Okay, now let's take a look. What is this? This is a butterfly wing. Where is butterfly? There it is. And then you draw the line. Just like that. Okay, next one. What is this? It looks like a tail, right? Which one in here has a tail? Did you find it? I found it. That is a donkey tail. Okay, we'll do one more and the rest you do it yourself. What is this? It's a beak. Which one in here has a beak? There it is. It's a duck beak. Draw a line to the duck. Easy, right? The rest you can do it yourself. Next one. Page 40. Let's read the instruction first. Find and color say. Okay, in here you have the ABC, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These are the letters that you already learned. Okay, now what you should do is to find the picture that begins with the letter that has the sound of the letter. A is for apple. Apple. Okay, and then you will color the picture that has A sound. Okay, so you will color the apples. 3 apples there. You color all of them. Okay. Next one. Let's go to B. What things start with B? Have you found it? Bird. B is for bird. Bird. And then you color the bird. Okay. Only color the thing that start with the letters A, B, C until K. Easy, right? Alright everyone, now we go to C. What things start with C? C is for cat. Cat. Next one, D. D is for date. Date. E is for eggs. Eggs. F is for fig. Fig. Color the fig. G is for goat. Goat. H is for horse. Horse. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jump. Jump. Last one. K is for kite. Kites. Alright, so you only color the one that has the letter sound, okay? Do not color the plants and the leaf and the what else? And the tree, no need to color those, okay? So only the one that has the sound of the letter A, B, C. Okay, that's all for today, everyone. I hope you learned something useful today. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.